Hi folks, here's the Stuart Turner Henley, which is a nice pond boat. Can't see what I'm doing because of the sun. It was introduced in about the 1930s and it was sold as a kit and as a pre-build. It's 24 inches long, beam is 4.1 inches I think, and it's got the ST engine, which is 7/16 bore and stroke, and there's the ST boiler. So you can see this was a kit form, and this has been rebuilt, and it's really nice. It's great for putting on the pond or as a display. It's a really nice boat. Just take you through that. I can't fire it up because I haven't got a small enough burner for this, and I don't want to scorch it, because this is actually lovely. It's really nice. There's not many survived actually over the years. So basically this is a total rebuild with the original fittings. So it's turned out really nicely. These small projects are ideal for winter projects. Don't take long to do, don't take long to build, and they can be quite fast on the water actually, because they're really light. So it's just a short video. Thought I'd like to show this to you, and thanks for watching all the videos. Do appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time.